flow of execution, followed by flow of execution. We discussed about find by ID. Various angles of find by ID we discussed are not there. One, two other flavors are there for find by ID. Let me check that. Let me discuss them, guys. What is our Eclipse ID? This one. Seven one zero. Yes, here is my what? 710. That's good. Crude repository. That's great. Here is my service, guys. I doctor management service. Okay. Public string. I want to write the error message from here itself. I don't want to have exception. Okay. All right. Public string. Show doctor by. Okay. Get doctor by ID. Int ID. Get doctor by ID. Int ID. That's good. Here, doctor management service IMPL, guys. What is there? Doctor management service IMPL. Doctor management service IMPL. Tell me. Doctor management service IMPL. Optional doctor. OPT is equal to doctor repo dot find by ID ID. Find by ID ID. That's good. See here. If OPT dot is present, if it is present, then what I want to do? Doctor is equal to OPT dot get. Get the object. And here only ID doctor details are ID doctor details are what is there? Doctor. Else. What is there? Else. Doctor not found. What not found, guys? Doctor not found. What's another message I am getting, guys? Doctor not found. That's great. This is my runner, guys. Crude repository test runner. Meeting password. Meeting password. You might be knowing now, guys. Why are you asking me? This is try block. This is definitely what, guys? A try block. That's great. Yeah, tell me what is there? String message is equal to doctor service dot get doctor by ID. What by ID, guys? Get doctor by ID. One. System dot out dot println message. Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. Yeah. Let me run the application, guys. Run as Java application. Here I got the doctor class object or not there, guys. Here I simply got the doctor class. Suppose I have given that number which is not there. 156 ID based doctor is available, guys? Not available. Run as, what is there? Java application. It's simply saying doctor not found message or not there. Is it saying doctor found? No. It is simply saying doctor not found. It is simply literally saying what? Doctor not found. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yes, that's great. Okay, we are getting simple messages, not the exception. Earlier we got the exception when our doctor not found. Throwing exception when doctor not found is not that much justifiable. That's why I have taken return type as string so that I am able to display the data. I am able to display the error message. Okay, there's one more thing, guys. We ask for certain doctor. If that doctor is not there, sometime we'll become ready to get the treatment from duty doctor. Say something, guys. Sometime we become ready to get the treatment from what? Duty doctor. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. We ask for certain doctor service, not happening. That time we will try to take the treatment from what? Duty doctor are not there, guys. We definitely try to take the treatment from what? Duty doctor. No second thought in that. Hmm. Here is public string. Okay. Public string. Arrange doctor by ID. Arrange doctor by ID. Public string arrange actor by ID. What is there, guys? Arrange doctor by ID. Public string arrange doctor by ID. That's fine. Now listen, here I'm going to take doctor is equal to doctor repo dot. Okay. Find by ID, or else, tell me, new doctor of. See, if the doctor is available, that doctor. Otherwise, one dummy duty doctor. I want to return what? Some dummy duty doctor, or else. Okay, for duty doctor, name is not so important, guys. Okay, in doctor class, what are the properties we got, guys? Let me check the properties of the doctor class. Here is my doctor.java. Now I'm just giving all permutations and combination of find by ID. Whatever you want, you can name, address, fee. New doctor of name, Karan, address, Hyderabad, fee. Okay. Why it is not responding positively? Name, address, fee. Name, address, fee. Change constructor of doctor, add string comma doctor. 1 minute. Is there any required arg constructor? Yes. Name, address, fee. Okay. Name, address, fee. We have taken that. Name, address, fee. Oh, 2 times it has come. Sorry. 1 minute. Mistake is mine then. Yeah. 2 times it has come. Only one time is enough, na boss? Doctor report dot find by ID or else this. Fine, we will get either real doctor or duty doctor. Written doctor, guys. Written doctor. Yeah, arrange. Written type should be doctor, guys. Let me put it as doctor as the written type. Here also, let me take the written type as what? Doctor. Either a duty doctor or regular doctor. Doctor object is coming. That's why. See, here what is the method I used? Or else. Earlier I used or else throw. To throw the exception in failure case, or else throw. All these are methods of optional API. Or else will throw what? Either correct object or dummy object. Got it? All these are methods that are there in what? Optional API. That's go to the runner. Try. Where is this? Exception E dot print stack trace. Where is this, guys? Doctor is equal to doctor service dot arrange doctor by ID. Arrange doctor by ID. Arrange doctor by ID. System dot out dot println. What is this? Doctor. First, I will give positive side available doctor ID, guys. Available doctor ID. Right click, guys. Run as Java application. Here is my doctor details are not there, guys. Here are my definitely one doctor details. Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me. Yes, boss. Right click, tell me. Run as Java application. See, we are getting duty doctor details are not there. When the doctor's record is not there in the table, we are getting what? Dummy duty doctor details are getting are not there. So out of which, what is best? That whatever you feel according to the requirement you choose. But all of them are there to give. Okay, entity object based on the given ID. If there, return that object. If not there, okay, you want to throw exception or error message or dummy object, that's up to you. For that one, we have methods. For that one, we have what? Methods. I think you understood the purpose of the optional API. If not there, it is not returning null. It is returning empty optional object. Because of this, possibility of avoiding null pointer exception is increased drastically or not there. The possibility of avoiding null pointer exception is drastically increased or not there, guys. Okay. So with this, we completed what? All finder methods. Count. So how count is finder method? To get count of record, select query only should execute. Exist by ID. To check whether certain record is available or not, select query only required. Find all. Find all by ID. Come on. Find by ID. These are the methods which we have used for select operations are not there. So now let us plan, let us think about how to work with what? Update and delete operations. We have to think about how to perform update and delete operations now, boss. But do you have separate update method, my dear? Come on. Do you have separate update method, my dear? We don't have separate update method. Save method itself acts as what? Save method itself acts as what? Update method. We can use save method for what? Insert object operation. We can use save method for what? update object operation. What do you say, guys? We can use save method for what? Insert object operation. We can use what? Same save method for what? Update object operation. Convinced with me, my dear? Come on. Super. Okay, that's good. Great. Spring here. Tell me, where is this? This is my 718. What is this? 710, na? Right. 710 Spring Boot Data JPA. Tell me. Finder methods are done, guys. Session 7. 6 is done, huh? Okay. 6 not completed. Optional API is done. Yeah. Here we have got updating object method now, my dear. Yes. Here we simply got updating object method. Yeah. We don't have separate update method in any repository. We have only save method, which can be used for both save object or what? Update object operation, because it internally uses what? em dot persist for save object and em dot merge for what? Update object operation. Here em is nothing but entity manager object that encapsulate the functionality of Hibernate ORM framework are not there. That encapsulate the functionality of underlying ORM framework are not there. There is nothing but Hibernate. Two types of object operation: full object modification, accept ID value, or insertion. Either you insert or update. If record already available, update it. If not available, insert. Use repo.save method directly. Partial object modification, accept ID value. Use find by ID and save method together. Modifies one or two property values, not all values. Check it out. Use case. You got a form page. There you typed what? Existing ID number or okay. Existing ID number or new ID number. There I filled up the data. If this ID number based record is already available, if this ID number based record is what? Already available, what it will do, guys? If this ID number based record is what? Already available, what it will do, guys? It will simply update the record. If not there, it will try to insert the new record by using one or other generated value as ID value or not there, guys. This is full object, either full record insertion or what? Partial record updation. And then next one, partial object modification, except ID value. Except what? ID value. Okay, first we got a select operation report, guys. There one edit button is given. Come on. There one edit button is given. Okay, when you click on edit button, come on. When you click on what? Edit button, then tell me what happens, guys. Form is launched having existing value. We modify one or two property values except the ID value. This will make it as read only. That is only for a display purpose. Remaining one or two values we modify. Click on what? Update. Here what? Register or update doctor. If the record is already there, it will update. If not there, it will insert the record or not there. It will definitely insert the record or not there, guys. One is full object modification, other one is what? Partial object modification. This needs full object saving if given doctor ID is not found, or full object update if given doctor ID is what? Found. Okay. This needs partial updation. This needs partial object updation. This needs what? Full object updation. First, we'll go for partial object updation. Then we'll go for what? Full object updation. Okay. That's it. Public string. Hike. I don't want to disturb everything, guys. Doctor fee by ID. Public string hike doctor fee by ID. Hike doctor fee by ID. That's good. Hike doctor fee by ID. That's good. Hike doctor fee by load object first. Load object is nothing but perform sign find operation. Doctor is equal to doctor. No, well, first we'll go for optional object, guys. Optional doctor OPT is equal to, tell me, doctor repo dot find by ID. ID. If OPT dot is present, if they're present, then what is there? Doctor is equal to OPT dot get. Here I try to get the doctor object or not there, guys. Definitely I'll try to get what? Doctor object. Okay. Duty doctor Hyderabad. Yeah. Tell me. Doctor report dot find by ID. Doctor is equal to OPT dot what? Get. Tell me. Here. Doctor dot set fee. What is there, guys? Doctor dot set fee. Doctor dot set fee. 1 minute. Here I'll go for one more angle. Only ID not enough, guys. I want to take float hike percent. What is there? Float hike percent. Doctor dot get fee into, tell me. Doctor dot get fee into here. I have to take one parameter float to hike percent now, boss. Okay, hike percent 0F. Doctor dot set fee. Doctor dot get fee into Doctor dot get fee. This one. It is plus now, guys. Yeah, that's right. Nothing is there, guys. Okay, I'm just incrementing the fee by given percentage. If 10%, 10%, 20%, 20%. Okay. Now, after doing all these things, update the object. Tell me, am I updating everything or only one property value? One prop. So it is one property. Can I say it's a partial update or full update? It comes under what? Partial update. Tell me. Doctor report dot save. Doctor report dot save. Return. Where is this? Doctor is updated. What is there? Doctor is updated. Doctor is updated. Doctor fee is updated. Updated. Updated by hike percent fee. Doctor is updated by hike percent fee. Yeah, tell me. Doctor is not found for updation. Doctor is not found for what? Updation. I'm simply saying doctor is really not found for what? Updation. Clear, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Yes. That's great. Fantastic, guys. Close all editors. That's fine. Run as a Java application. Oh, I have not called this method. Fine. Let me call the method before I run the application. Try. String message is equal to doctor service dot hi doctor given by this one. I'm giving 10%. 10%. Taken double. Double is taken. Seriously, I have taken double. Float only. Look at the implementation class. Float only. Yeah, float means F should be there, right? Yeah. Otherwise, it will be taken as double value or not there. Yeah, tell me. System dot out dot println message. Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack. Right click, run as Java application. Doctor fee is updated by what? 10%. Doctor fee is updated by 10%. I think message is not good. Doctor fee is updated by 10%. You run it again. Yeah, 10%. Let me check. MySQL workbench, guys. Here is what? Connection 1. Here is why connection 1, 719 dB. 71, 710 dB tables shows. See, these percentiles have come means what? It is definitely incremented or not there. Hmm. Super. Now, if I give a wrong ID, whether I am getting that message or not. 22 ID based doctor is available or not available or not. Run as Java application. Doctor is not found for what? Update. Doctor is found for updation or not found for updation. And definitely doctor is not found for what? Updation. Is doctor found for updation, guys? No. Now I'm not looking to perform full object modification. What modification? I'm seriously looking to perform what? Full object modification. Now let's see. Hmm. Okay, that's great. Eye doctor management service was public string. Where is that? Public string. Hmm. Public string. Update doctor. Here I am taking doctor. Update. Full object modification I am looking for, right? Okay. Super. Hmm. Go to IMPL class. Okay. But it's not just update, guys. Register or update doctor. What is there? Register or update doctor. Register or update doctor. Okay, that's good. First of all, see, it will do its work, guys. But we have to print the message, no, doctor is registered or updated. So for that one, better to check doctor is already available or not. If available, you are doing something means what? Definitely it will go for updation. If not available, you are doing something means what? Definitely it will go for registration or not there, guy. Hmm. Load object. Load the object. Think about loading the object. Copy this, paste it. Optional doctor OPT is equal to doctor repo dot find by ID, doctor dot get ID. Doctor dot what? Get ID. Tell me. If OPT dot get, if OPT dot get, OPT dot is present, is present. Okay, that's good. OPT dot is present. Update the object. Doctor repo dot save. Doctor repo dot save doctor. Okay, fine, guys. Doctor repo dot save doctor. Get ID doctor details are updated. Okay, here I will try to use what? Return statement. Else, tell me. Doctor repo dot save. Doctor repo dot save doctor. Hmm. But this is going to save the object or not there? Save the object. Tell me. Doctor saved doctor is equal to here saved doctor dot get ID. Okay, doctor is saved. What is there? Doctor object is saved. Doctor object is saved with ID value. With ID value. Tell me. Saved doctor dot. What doctor dot, guys? Get ID. Saved doctor dot get ID. What is there? Saved doctor dot get ID. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. File, close all editors. What, guys? File, close all editors. That's great. Boot data JPA, crude repository test runner. Okay. Crude repository test runner. Okay. Here is what? Try block. Here is my what, guys? Try block. Okay. String message is equal to what is there? Doctor service dot. What service dot, guys? Doctor service dot. Save doctor. Register or update doctor. So I have to pass doctor object over here. Doctor is equal to new doctor of some 123 Rajesh Hyderabad. I created one doctor object. I am passing this. Yeah. Do you have 123 doctor, guys? Do you have 123 doctor in our list? Catch exception E print stack trace. 123 doctor is there, guys? Not there. There are, my dear? Not there. When not there, what it should do? You should think about inserting record or not there. Okay. Observe very carefully. One practical problem is going to come. I want you people to observe this one carefully. Right click, run as Java application. 123 is not there. Yeah, we got an exception. What is the exception, guys? Row was already updated or deleted by what? Row was already updated or deleted by what? Other transaction. Because it is just loaded now, boss. Come on. It is just loaded. It is giving the problem towards doing update operation or not there. Okay, it is simply doing select operation. See, what's the problem? Look at try to analyze the code. The problem is go to service IMPL. Okay. try to analyze the code a little bit. It will try to load the record. There are not there. It will try to load the record, not there. You will get empty optional object. Okay, is present returns false, comes to else block, right? Hmm. Whatever doctor object I passed, whatever doctor object I passed, come on. And the same doctor object, whatever doctor object, this is the given doctor object. Super guys. But I'm trying to pass the call method. But here I'm checking whether it is available or not. Or when I'm trying to check whether it is available or not, the problem is very simple, guys. Generator is there, na? Generator try to generate the value. But in our doctor object also some data is there. Both are matching or not matching? Both are not matching. So that's why what I do is, while doing this full object modification, unfortunately, you cannot involve any generator. Just comment the generators. Don't keep any generator. Now, without keeping generator, you try once. No generators are involved. Now, check it out. Doctor object is saved with ID value 123, guys. Say refresh. 123 record is placed or not there? Because not there. So now, what I do is, go to the runner class, guys. Go to the runner class. One, okay, Ranjish. What is there? Delhi 5170F. What is the one I'm taking, guys? 5170F. Say refresh. 5170F. Right click, run as Java application. Say refresh. See, guys, now it got updated or not there? What's the message I got? One doctor details are updated, boss. So what's the problem with the generator, sir? If generator is there, generator generates a value. Okay, that value is already there, definitely not there. It always thinks about going for insertion of record only, na boss. If I remove generator, okay, it will take given number, and that given number based ID value is there or not there or not there. If not there, insert. If there, it will think about performing update value. When generator is there, the given value is replaced with the generator generated value. And based on that, it cannot really take the decision. That's why it is throwing what? Exception there. So only while doing full object modification, you have to be very careful towards what? Not activating any generator. But generally in the industry, no one will go for full object modification. Everyone prefer doing what? Partial object modification only. For that one, no tension. We can happily deal with what? Generator and other stuff. Okay. While executing this code, make sure that no generated value is placed on the top of what? ID property. This is for customer number new address. This is only to partially modify the address. Okay. This is for partial modification, guys. How can we make certain property of entity class not participating in what? Persistence operation. Okay. For that one, we have to use at the rate transient. For that one, we have to use what? At the rate transient. Once you use at the rate transient, my dear, okay, that property will not participate in any kind of persistence operation, though that property related column is having data. Though that property related column is having what? Data. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yes. Though that property related column is having what? Data. That property will not participate in any kind of what? Persistence operation. Unfortunately, that does not participate in any kind of what? Persistence operation. Are you getting my point, my dear? Doctor is equal to this one. Okay, now, yeah, one is there. It will try to update. Okay, here I will give some new number 5118. Check it out. Run as a Java application. One records are updated. See, remaining everything updated. But this 517 is updated, guys? Not updated. You try to check other details are updated or not. One Delhi 6. Copy this. Right click. Run as Java application. It is looking like updated, but see, remaining all are updated, but this is not updated because it is given as what? Transit. Okay, I'll make same application performing insert activity. One more file. Suresh. Mumbai. Now it will think about inserting record, but because of transient, column values are inserted in what? All other places. Values are inserted in what? All other places except in what? That one. See, fee is not inserted remaining. That will not participate. That property will not participate in any kind of what? Persistence operation. By all means, that will not participate in any kind of what? Persistence operation. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Instead of using transient, we can set null values or no value to certain property to make what? That property not participating in persistence operation, but it works only in what? Insert update object operation, not in other operations, guys. So always prefer working with one, guys, transient. All persistence operation should not participate. You think about going for what? Transient. Okay. But only in insert update you want to see, don't want to participate, null value. But transient works in all situation. But setting null value will work only in what? Save object and update object operation. Only in what? Save object and what? Update object operation, not in all aspects. Not in what? All aspects. That's great. Delete object operation in what? Crude repository. Delete object operation in what? Crude repository. Yes. Delete all, delete all. These are the various methods are there. This is to delete single record based on what? Given object ID value. Ultimately, ID value is the criteria value, guys. Delete all. Merciless killing. Deletes all the records. Delete all based on given objects. Suppose you have given 4 or 5 objects. Based on those 4 or 5 objects ID value, it will delete. Delete all by ID. What is there? Delete all by ID. Definitely what? Delete all by ID. Next what? Delete by ID. Next one is what? Delete by ID. This is to delete single record. This is to delete multiple record based on given ID values. This is to delete multiple record based on given objects based ID values. This is to delete all records. This is to delete single object based on given object ID value. Though I am passing object or ID value, ultimately it will use what? ID value as the criteria value to delete the record or not there. Ultimately, it will use what? ID value as the condition value or criteria value to simply delete the record. Update object, load object by ID, delete object by ID methods perform their persistence operation by taking ID value as what? Criteria value. By simply taking what? ID value as what? Criteria value. To perform persistence operation in DB table using what? Spring data JPA by taking other than ID value as criteria value. We need to place custom methods in repository interface or not there. By default, they take ID value as criteria value to perform persistence operation. Now, if you are interested to perform same operation other than ID value, then we have to take the support of what, guys? Custom methods. Yes, we will discuss about custom methods in the coming classes. We will talk about custom methods in the coming class. That's good. Yeah, this is the delete all, delete all by ID, delete by ID. That's good. Comfortable, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. First, we'll start with what? Delete by ID. If there, we will delete. If not there, we will say record not there. Super, guys. Tell me. Eye doctor management service. Let's go for this. Public string. Remove doctor by ID. Where is this? Into ID. Optional doctor OPT is equal to doctor repo dot find by ID. If OPT dot is present, if present, OPT dot is present. Delete the object. Deleting object means not exactly deleting the object, guys. Deleting the record represented by the object. Yeah, tell me. Doctor repo dot delete by ID. What is there? ID. Okay, return. Yeah, where is this? Doctor. Yeah, tell me, guys. Okay, ID doctor is deleted. Else. ID doctor is not found for deletion. Is not found for deletion. We are getting the message ID doctor is not found for what? Delete. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. ID doctor is not found for deletion. That's great. Yeah. Tell me what we should do here. Doctor management service IMPL. This is great. com.nt.entity, com.nt.service. Doctor management service. Okay, let's go to runner, guys. Erase a try. String message is equal to, tell me, doctor service dot, hmm, doctor service dot, come on, doctor service dot, tell me, where is that? Remove doctor by ID. Remove doctor by ID. System dot out dot println message. Catch exception E dot print stack trace. Catch exception E dot print stack trace. That's good. Right click, run as what? Java application. One doctor is deleted or not there, guys? Definitely, what is deleted, guys? One doctor is deleted. One doctor is deleted. Let me check whether one doctor is deleted or not. Yes. One record is gone or not there, guys. So we are first performing select operation, then it is performing what? Delete operation. But sir, why are you doing like this? The unfortunate is all delete method return type is what? Void. They delete or they don't return anything. So that's why we should write some additional logic to check whether record is available or not there. That's unfortunate thing, guys. All delete method return type is what? Void. So by calling delete method, it may delete record, it may not delete record, but we'll never aware of what? Whether it has deleted record or not. That's the reason we have to be ready to do some select operation, additional logic to check record is available or not. If available, we can say confidently deleted. If not available, not there to found. That's the reason I'm forced to do select operation to generate a proper message. Okay, whether record has been deleted or not. To generate a proper message whether record has been what? Deleted or Doctor Management Service, guys. Tell me next one. Public. Remove doctors by IDs. Iterable, what is there? Integer IDs. Remove doctors by IDs, iterable integer IDs. We need to implement it, guys. But unfortunately, this method return type is also what, guys? Void. But whether deleted or not, we need to have a confirmation message or not there. Whether record is deleted or not, we definitely need to have a confirmation message. Load the objects. What is there, guys? Load the objects. Iterable doctor. Iterable doctor list is equal to. Yeah, we have a find all by ID method or not there. What is there? Doctor report dot find all by ID IDs. Here we loaded the objects are not there, guys. Come on. Doctor report dot find all by IDs. If okay, I just want to check whether it is empty or not empty, guys. List dot size. Unfortunately, in iterable there is no size, guys. So I want to get the size. Tell me. Stream support dot. Stream support dot stream. List dot split iterator. I don't want to have parallel this. Here I am calling what method? Count. Double equal not equal to 0. Are in that list elements, come on. Whatever objects I loaded in that list element, if objects are there, if what there? Objects are there. Stream support dot stream, list dot split iterator comma false, count not equal to 0. Count not equal to 0. That means if elements are there, then what is there? Delete the objects. What object guy? Delete the doctor report dot delete all by IDs. We are asking to delete the records. Tell me here, return list dot. Okay, why to call same method twice? I just want to know how many records are deleted. Long count is equal to. Can I write this logic here? Count not equal to 0. If count not equal to 0, tell me. Return, tell me. Count number of records are not found for deletion. Count number of records are deleted and are found and deleted. Deleted. Return, tell me. Return, return, come on guys. Okay, records not found. Records not found for what? Deletion. Records not found for deletion. That's good. Yes, boss. This is iterable crude repository test runner, guys. Yeah, crude repository test runner. Try. Where is this? E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Yeah, tell me. Doctor service dot remove doctors by IDs. 2 comma 3 comma 10 comma 45 comma 123. Whatever available I am passing, but iterable now guys, I have to pass list dot of. List dot of. Java dot util dot list. System dot out dot println message. Whatever IDs are available, they will be deleted. Whatever ID is not available, they will not be deleted. Right click, run as Java application. 3 number of records are found and what? Deleted. Say refresh. Okay, they are deleted or not there, guys. Whatever. So though I passed 4 or 5 IDs, but 3 number of records are found and what? Deleted. Understanding my statement, guys? So this is the whole mechanism that we have to worry about or not there. This is the whole mechanism that we have to worry about or not there, guys. Come on. Super. Tell me. This is model class. This is what? Entity class. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We have that one also. Okay. Now we have got one more method called delete all. It will empty the table or not there, guys. Super. Okay. Now let's see. Public string remove all doctors. Public string remove all doctors. Public string remove all doctors. I'm interested. See, I want to delete record, but I'm interested to know how many records are there. Long count is equal to doctor repo dot count is there now, guys. Yeah. Delete the objects. Yeah, tell me. Doctor repo dot delete all. Doctor repo dot delete all. Tell. Count number of records are found and what deleted. Count number of records are found and what delete. What is there, guys? Catch. Exception E. E dot what? Print stack trace. String message is equal to, what is equal to? Doctor service dot. What is there, guys? Doctor service dot. Doctor service dot. Tell me, guys. Remove all doctors. System dot out dot println message. System dot out dot println message. Run as what? Java application. 7 number of records are found and deleted or not there, guys. Okay. All the records got deleted here. Table is empty now, my dear. Yes. But it is generating single query or multiple queries. Yes, it is not generating single query. It is generating what? Multiple. Check it out. Is it generating single query or multiple queries? Yeah, definitely it is generating what? Multiple SQL queries, not the single SQL query. Not the single SQL query. It is definitely generating what? Multiple SQL queries. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Explain the use cases of delete by ID, delete. Where to use delete by ID, where to use what? Delete. Use case 1. Delete by ID deletes a record. Delete also deletes one record by taking given object based ID value as criteria value. It takes directly ID value. It takes what? Object. From the object, again, it uses ID value as the criteria value or not there. Let us assume we have a report. In report, all records are displayed. There is a delete hyperlink. Okay. And when you click on hyperlink, it is carrying what? That record related ID property value. Then we will go for double confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete the record or not? Once it gives confirmation, yeah, this ID value will be submitted to what? Delete by ID, and record will be deleted or not there, guys. Say something, guys. So here delete or delete by ID is required to delete that single record or not there, guys. Super. Next one. Use case 2. One Raja 1000 CRD. View and what? Delete. Next, what we got, guys? View and delete. When you click on view and delete hyperlink, here is the form page. Here in the form page, data is displayed here or not there? In the form page, data is displayed nicely, my dear. Come on. In the form page, data is displayed nicely over here or not there, guys? Come on. Okay, that's good. But after viewing data, if you want to delete, so it's better to go for what? Received form data into entity class object. Use delete method having entity object. So this is the place where we have to use a delete T. Here, when you click on hyperlink, hyperlink is sending what? ID value. That's why delete by ID. Come on. Here, view and delete means what? First record has come, is filled into form, and when you submit the form, it is stored into our object, and that object is passed there. Right, my dear? That object is passed there. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on, guys. If the request is given, if request is given form data which will be stored into entity class object, we can take that entity object as the criteria value in the delete method for the record deletion. See, guys, when you click on form submit button, we are getting data. That data should be stored into object, and based on object you have to go for what? Deletion. Then we have to go for what, guys? Delete T method. No, when you click on just hyperlink, hyperlink is sending ID value. That time you have to use what? Delete by ID. What, guys? Delete by ID. To perform update delete operation and find operation with our choice conditions or property or column values, as condition values or criteria values, use custom methods declaration in what? Repository interface. Partial insertion of record or object, partial update or record or object, partial loading of record is possible. Okay, partial insertion, partial update, partial loading of record is possible, but partial record deletion is not there. Array, can you delete 1, 2 column values? Okay, deleting 1, 2 column values is indirectly delete update operation only now, guys. Deleting 1 or 2 column values in DB table record comes under what? Partial record delete or update operation. Partial record delete or what? Update operation. Getting my point, my dear? Come on. Okay. Session 7. These are the delete methods, guys. Delete all by ID. Use cases for delete all and delete all by ID. Yeah, already we discussed about all these methods, guys. I'm just talking about the use cases. Let me talk about the use cases. Use cases of delete all by ID. Okay, think about Gmail inbox, guys. Select all checkbox is there. Select all, delete. That time you have to use a delete all method or not there. Okay. But out of all select all, I select few checkboxes. Okay. Delete selected. That time you have to go for delete all by ID or not there. Check it out. Product catalog, all product details have come. Okay. Needs a repo dot delete all by ID. Needs a repo dot delete all by ID. Two checkboxes are taken. Delete selected means delete all by ID. Okay. Now there is something called repo dot delete all method. There is something called what? Delete all. You select or not selected, everything should be deleted. In that situation, we have to go for a delete all method or not there, guys. Come on, guys. Delete selected means delete all by ID. Delete all means what? Delete. Whether you select them or not, they should be deleted. Okay. Delete by ID. We discussed this. Can we delete the record? Can we delete the record content partially? Possible, but not using delete method, using save. Keep null values for few properties of the object. This is nothing but partial deletion of record. Nothing but partial update or what? Delete oper. Or we can use at the rate transient or not there, guys. We can use at the rate transient or not there. Summary of all the crude repository methods, boss. Save, create or update operation, save new entity object or updates existing entity. We do have single method for both operations or not there. Save all, bulk save. Find by ID, read single record. Exist by ID, check the existing of single record. Find all, read all record. Find all by ID, read multiple records. Count to get the count. Delete by ID to delete single record. Delete Delete by entity to get what? Single record. Delete all by ID. What is there? Bulk delete. Delete all. Bulk delete. Are you getting my point there? Delete all. Delete all. Deletes all the records are not there, guys. Crude repository provides basic crude operations, use generics, find by ID returns optional object, extended by JPA repository, Mongo repository. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Crude repository provides use generics, find by add return optional object, extended by what? JPA repository, Mongo repository. For this interface, also sub interfaces are there, that summary kind of thing. It's a summary table on all the methods now, my dear. Okay, we have 12 methods to perform 4 persistence operation in different permutations and combinations, right? But still, all these operations are maximum happening by taking ID value as a condition value. Now you want to delete record other than ID value as a condition value. You have to wait for custom method. Right now, predefined method, if you like them, use them. If you don't like them, think about adding custom methods in repository interface. I'll introduce once all predefined methods discussion is completed. Though there are so many repository interface in the hierarchy, 3 are very popular for SQL database software. One is crude repository, paging and sorting repository, and lastly, JPA repository. So far, we completed only what? Crude repository method. Now, what is the leftover, guys? Paging and sorting repository and JPA repo. So we will discuss them, then we will move to next discussion. Yeah, paging and sorting also we are going to discuss. Next is that only. Let me upload the document, guys. I hope you're enjoying. We are not doing anything. You are just calling ready-made methods, right? Oh, memory is gone. How to go for memory, guys? They are not giving even delete operation. Okay. I think again I have to delete from my mail ID or something. Storage is full. Okay. Today, let me manage to upload your document. Later, we will see. Where is this Spring Boot data JPA? File upload. Where is this? 710 Spring Boot data JPA. Okay, I'll sort out the problem and I'll do it, guys. I don't know why all of a sudden it happened. No spam, no trash. Trash is there. Okay. Delete forever. I have to clean many things, guys. I have to clean many things. Okay. We'll see later, guys. I think some deletions I have to do. Let me try one more time. 2026 data JPA 6th and 7. Let's see. We'll discuss after some time. I'll set right, guys. Don't worry. Thank you. Have a nice day.